Hello coin engineers, today I have brought you another video, and this video will be all about CoinMarketcap and how we can use this CoinMarketcap application on our mobile phone. And in the end of this video you will be able to learn how you can use CoinMarketcap application, and also you will get benefit from each features provided to us. And now before we jump into our video, if you like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and keep the notifications on to catch videos like this. And let's jump into it. We will start from the top of the screen and I'll click on blue bar, and now as you see I can see the market cap on top left, and I can see 24 hours volume. I can see the BTC dominance, ETH dominance, and how many cryptocurrencies we have in market and how many markets we have and stuff like this. When you see the graphic you can check out the market cap, BTC dominance, and the volume as well. When you switch off, there's no volume. When you switch off BTC dominance, it's gone. And also this is market cap. By checking this, so without market cap we cannot see BTC dominance, so market cap will stay. Now we can see the date ranges, different graphics on the dates. Okay, so we have watch list. When we click on watch list, as you can understand from the word itself, watch list means this is a list of coins we like to watch, we like to follow, we like to get closer. And now we will be adding some cryptos into that list. So for example, the default one will be the example one. I will click on default and I will click on altcoins, and now I'll type down the symbol of each coin. So for example it will be Bitcoin and also Ethereum and also BNB, and select the 3 coins. Yes, now as you see on my list I have 3 different cryptocurrencies. And now what else I'll be doing, I will click on the dots, and now you can see we can edit, we can duplicate, we can even copy the link to share with our friends. Now I will go back. There are some different popular watch lists right in this one, and you can get benefit from the different ones. As you see we have for example crypto moonshot. When you open that one you see different cryptos created by another person. You can even drop a name to your watch list and you can share this watch list with your friends, as I told you before, or you can follow the other crypto watch lists to get informed. And when we click on discover part, we will be seeing different news, different articles, different updates related to the coins. Okay, when you open this one you will see trending one, and you can by swapping left you can see different news, and when you click on see news you will see them as list. And also we have top losers, recently added coins, and I will switch off this. And now we see the price alert. When we want to enter the game we set up our strategy, and now we are waiting for a price to go down or to go up. In this case we will add an alert on this application too. For example, when you click on add you will type down the price you like to have. For example, when it comes to 41, because I believe this will be my support zone, so I decided to have 1 Bitcoin at 41,000 USD. I set my price alert, and now you see this is switched on. If you want to deactivate it you will click on it and it's switched off. And the other one will be convert. When you click on convert, now you can convert your BTC to Sol. For example, 1 BTC equals to 400 Sol. Or you go like this. For example, you can pick different ones. You like to buy Sol with BUSD, and now you will be calling, you've got 1000 BUSD. This equals to 14, almost 15 Sol. Okay, when you click on compare these crypto sets you will see a different chart related to price, market cap, and also volume. You can check the correlations between 2 different tokens or coins. When you click on this one, the portfolio, my main portfolio, this is the best one. This is the best thing I do really like on this application. You know, it's very hard to follow your cryptos on different exchanges. So now after buying or after selling your cryptos on an exchange, what you will be doing, first you will add new assets, add new transaction. I clicked on BTC. I will type down 1 BTC. I bought 1 BTC on Binance, just an example. And also I bought some Ethereum on Kucoin. I bought 5 Ethereum. Hopefully guys, fortunately you will be able to do these processes on your portfolio too. I hope you will be able to have that much money to be able to buy 5 Ethereum and 1 Bitcoin. And also now you see I have BTC and also ETH, and now I can check the line chart and also the pie charts and also the statistics. Okay, so this is on dollar mode, and now when I click on percent I see the holding percent in my portfolio. This is very nice application when it comes to this. When you click on the eye, nobody can see what you have. By clicking on plus, we will add another ones. Just an example, I have 5k USDC2. So now you see my portfolio. And the other one, and right on this setting, you will be able to customize your profile. And also by clicking on my diamonds, I will show you another tip which you will like it too. When you click on this one, CoinMarketCap application gives you free diamonds each and every day when you fill your attendance form. Okay, I see this as attendance form. For example, for each day you can have diamonds. 10 diamonds for first day, 10 diamonds for second, and it goes like this. The more days you apply on this application, the more diamonds you will have. Keep in mind. So what will you do with these diamonds? Now let me show you. When you click on diamond rewards, you will be able to buy, you will be able to purchase some different NFTs by using these diamonds. You see, for example, the price of this robots NFT cost 4k diamonds. Sold out unfortunately, but if we had a chance to buy this, we could have bought this with 200 diamonds. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope I was able to teach you well and you could understood it. Hopefully you will be making some nice profit by using this application. I will be super glad to hear this from you. Hope to see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.